What's up, buddy?
How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Hey, it comes with a basketball hoop.
Hi.
Here it is.
Wow.
It's 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It's only 1,000 square feet. I got the key. Okay, so first impression, you have useless space right here, and this is useless.
Well, right now there's hardly any counter space. The kitchen feels awkward, and then you have the stove like in a closet. Doesn't even really make sense. It's definitely a strange layout. It feels very dark in here.
Remodeling the full kitchen. Cost, what are you thinking?
Probably 10 grand.
There's a good-sized living room.
This is the family room, dining room, eating room. This is everything. Well, part of why it feels very dark inside is this overhang, although it's kind of nice because it provides shade.
This is definitely not a permitted laundry room.
Bathroom.
Ooh, fancy, 2 types of tile. And look at, they even did a custom bed.
What are we looking at here?
Maybe 6 grand.
Bedroom number 1.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
This FAU,
It's newer.
it looks like it's just an FAU. So do you want air conditioning here or no?
Yes.
What, like 3 grand to add an AC?
Probably 6 to 7.
What do you mean 6 to 7? It's just air conditioning.
Oh
We
my
already have the
gosh.
ducting and the heat.
You need bigger ducting for AC.
Wait, guys, look at the carpet. And isn't there supposed to be 2 bathrooms?
It's a half bath, so it's gotta be in the master.
And there's a bathroom.
Okay, this is the half bath, and it's tiny. On the other side of this, that's the furnace, right?
Yeah.
How much would it be to put the furnace in the attic?
You might be another 400 bucks.
If we spend a couple $1,000s and we have an actual second full bathroom, we'll make a lot more return on it.
Definitely worth it.
After some back and forth with the seller, we finally bought the house for $510,000. So with the $75,000 rehab estimate, we're into this house for $585,000. In this area, the market is really tight right now, so if we want to make a profit, we have to move really fast.
Hey, Tarek,
What?
look at this. Look at all these bumps in here. I've never seen this before. Look at that.
That's the concrete.
Just goes right to powder. We don't know what it is. If it is a slab leak, you're gonna have to repipe the house because that means there's water coming up through the foundation causing this to pop.
All right, well, just keep doing demo. Try to figure out what's going on here.
All right.
Did we figure out what's going on?
You had a slab leak. Water was coming up through here, moisture is causing all these pops in the concrete.
Weird.
The house has been replumbed, so the problem is fixed. The damage caused by the problem isn't fixed. So what we need to do is clean it out, seal it, patch over it.
How much is it?
800 bucks.
All right, let's do it.
I got something else to show you outside. So when we walked the house initially, we knew that this laundry area was an unpermitted addition.
Yeah?
But when we went down to the city, it turns out the entire patio cover is unpermitted. It all needs to go.
Man, how much?
You're gonna be looking at like 1,500 bucks minimum.
Just to take it down?
We don't know what it's gonna do to the roof once we take it down.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
It's like a war scene.
So the way that they did that patio cover was they roofed from the roof over the roof onto the patio cover directly. So once we took down your laundry room, patio cover, you're left with
Bunch of crap.
It looks horrible.
All right, I'm gonna ask.
Hideous.
How much is it gonna be to fix that?
it'll probably be a few thousand.
A few thousand?
Yeah.
Why would it be a few thousand?
I have the roofer coming out. He has to patch it all, put drip edge back on.
We've already had a lot of issues at this house, and we're spending so much money already. This is the last thing we need.
Any other awful news for us?
No, actually, I got good news for you. Come on inside.
All right, let's have some fun.
So this is actually not bearing.
Which?
This
Oh, you were
post.
wrong.
So that post you can take out.
Sweet, what about that one?
That post you cannot take off.
So I was right. It's load bearing.
If we take out this post, I have to do a pad and a pad, run beams across.
Wait. More
Okay.
importantly, can we get rid of this wall? How much would that cost?
You're probably looking at 3,000.
Sold.
Hold on a second. Question, Jeff. If we remove the entire space, we can put an island in.
Yep. Do your stove here.
I like that.
People would like that a lot with the hood.
They would.
Yeah, drop down hood. Sink, dishwasher over there, a little bit extra cabinets.
Having a stove put into the island will be way better than having it in the closet that it was in when we first got here. We have to do this.
Here's the deal. We got hit with a lot of costs. The patio cover, the roofing, the slab leak.
Yeah, but unfortunately, those are all costs that no one's really gonna see. This is an actual cost that's gonna make the house look better.
I agree with you, we should open up the space, so I guess we'll do it.
Okay, good.
All right. You're spending money for once. All right, that's nice.
Hola.
Oh my
going on,
gosh, so
guys?
much better. What's up, Jeff?
What's all the racket out there?
She cut me off. I had right away to pull into the stupid driveway. Whatever.
I'm trying to work over here, you guys. What do you have?
I brought some design
I
materials.
designed the kitchen. So white flat panel,
White shaker.
really cool backsplash.
Way better backsplash.
We can do gray counter or black counter, and then a darker floor to go with like the more modern industrial theme.
Okay, or this cement tile flooring just in the kitchen, white counter or black counter, and flooring throughout the rest of the house.
Could we just go with the better one, please?
There's a basketball hoop right there.
Oh, yeah, there's
Me and you, let's have a challenge. Winner gets to pick their design.
Well, this is something I gotta see.
Bam! Oh. Oh.
P.
Oh.
Wow.
Nope.
Both have a P.
Now,
PI for Tarek. Oh my God! I was blind!
Is this for the game?
Yep.
Game over, everybody.
Oh, God.
Just watch and learn.
Not that design.
It was a blowout.
Proud.
Oh,
He
I
won.
won.
I
Of
think
course
the
I
whole
won.
neighborhood heard him win. He was like yelling and screaming like a crazy person.
I won before we started. What a great day, guys.
I'll say something. Both of you guys suck at basketball.
Losing to Tark is my least favorite thing, and that kitchen design that he chose is a close second. Looking good.
You're supposed to walk in and say, wow, that's beautiful. Thank God you beat me at basketball.
It looks pretty. It feels a lot bigger in here. I love this island. It's massive. I like how there's so much storage. Looks good.
So I was thinking about it. I'll let you design the bathrooms.
Well, that's nice of you. I'll pick something that goes nicely with this masculine style.
We're getting close to finishing the interior of the house, and with the open house only a couple weeks away, it's time to start working on the outside. Let's just do the stucco of the house, this color right here,
Okay.
and then let's do the trim, the dark gray.
Perfect. We'll get it up.
And then the front yard, we just put grass in this area. I think we could do like some horizontal fencing.
So you'd be like 3 boards on each one.
How much?
$300?
I like that. We'll paint it to match the house.
Okay. Sounds good, dude. We'll start that.
So similar size houses to this, not remodeled, are selling low 6s. I did find one that was pretty nice, but not like this that sold for $630. I say we just swing for the fences. We come in at, yeah, you're gonna call me crazy, $679.9.
What? That's way too high.
But we have to try to make some money.
All right.
This house looks good. We had that weird wall running across here. Remember how dark it was? We had to take down that weird structure, but it actually turned out to be a good thing.
It actually adds more light in here.
Yeah, it's much nicer.
This is like one of the most open floor plans we've done. The kitchen actually feels really big. Like for this size house, normally you never have a huge island like this. There's tons of storage. The stove is so much better in this island than being in that weird closet. The backsplash is super cool. It looks really good.
The stagers did a good job too. I love the color combos.
Yeah, it's really cute.
The bathrooms, this came out cool. Such a unique tile.
It's a small bathroom, but it's got a big design, so it looks really good.
Super cool. Such a good accent wall.
Bedroom number 1.
I think we should have ran the laminate in here too instead of the carpet.
Yeah, it does feel a little bit small.
Again, decent sized bedroom. I mean, for a 1,000 square foot house, this is a good bedroom. All right, the master.
It's not the biggest master, but at least it has an ensuite bathroom.
Yeah, and plus we doubled the size of it by building the shower, taking away the closet in the hallway.
Very unique design. Buyers are definitely gonna love it.
This yard is huge. This is where that weird laundry area was. I mean, it's so much better that we put it in the garage.
I feel like it looks bigger out here. It's a great size yard. It's very quiet. It's a cute house.
Let's sell this thing.
Let's do it.
Notice the
This
fence?
is cute. I know, I do. I like that.
That is a pretty cool idea.
This is so nice.
I like how open it is.
Do you like the gray color and the backsplash, the gray?
do.
I do too. Oh, wow. Little entertainment area.
A room for the dog. Very cool.
Very nice.
There's an ensuite. Oh, it's perfect. Looks kind of like rustic, beachy. I like that.
The real estate market in Cyprus isn't what it once was, and our price of $679.9 didn't work out.